dear students of class 4, welcome to maths class once again. In my previous class I have started chapter number 4, and what was the name of the chapter? Division. Okay, and I have done, let's recap. Okay, and I have given you homeworks also, and I hope you have understood and you have done in your copy that homeworks. Okay, so today I am going to start exercise what 4.1. So before starting this exercise I want to teach you the division properties. Okay, so when you will learn this division properties, okay, so it will become very easy for you to do what question number 1 of exercise 4.1. If you will see this carefully and you will understand, it will become very easy for you to divide, okay, easily. So now let's see what is property number 1. So number 1 property is that, okay, number 1 property I am telling you now. Okay, so number 1 property is that when 0 is divided by any number, okay, except 0, so what will be the quotient? The quotient will be 0. I have already taught you that. Okay, so first let me write this: 0 divided by any number. Okay, you can take any number. Okay, so here I am taking 341. Okay, so 0 divided by any number. So this 0 is what? It is dividend. What it is? Dividend. And what we call the number by which, okay, we divide is called the divisor, and what we get, what we call that quotient. So number 1 property is that 0 divided by any number. Okay, 0 divided by any number, what will be the quotient? 0. What will be the quotient? 0. So what we call this? Quotient. Okay, we call this quotient. Okay, so let me tell you once again that 0 divided by any number. Any number, okay, don't think that 341, any number, it can be like, I'll give you one more example, 0 divided by 450. What it will be? 0 divided by any number? 0. Okay, so I think number 1 property is clear, that 0 divided by any number, what you will get? Quotient 0. Okay, now let's see what is property number 2. Now property number 2 is that when any number is divided by 1, when any number is divided by 1, what we will get? Quotient. We will get the quotient, the number itself. Whatever the number will be there, that will be only the quotient. Okay, now see here, then I think you will understand. Okay, what is property number 2 is that, okay, any number divided by 1, any number divided by 1, what will be the quotient? The number itself. Okay, the number itself. Any number divided by 1. So whenever you see any number which is divided by 1, what you will write as a quotient? You will write the same number. Okay, you will write the same number, that is 451. Okay, the quotient will be the number itself. Okay, let me give other example. 542 divided by 1. Okay, 542 divided by 1 will be what? The number itself, that is 541. Okay, like in multiplication also we know no, that any number multiplied by 0 will be what? 0. Any number multiplied by 1 will be what? The number itself. 2 1s are 2. 300 into 1 will be what? 300 only. Same way in division also, any number divided by 1 will be what? The number itself. Okay, so this was property number 2. Now let's see what is property number 3. So property number 3 is that, okay, property number 3 is that any number divided by itself. Okay, any number divided by itself. So what quotient it will give? It will give 1 as a quotient. Okay, now see it. Okay, 30 divided by 30. Okay, what I said is any number divided by itself. Divided by itself means whatever number will be here, the same number will be here. Okay, 30 divided by 30. So what will be the quotient? 1. What will be the quotient? 1. Okay, why? Because 30 1s are 30. Okay, so any number divided by itself, what will be the quotient? 1. Okay, so what is say other quotient like 10 divided by 10. So what will be the quotient? 1 only. Any number divided by itself, same number, what will be the quotient? 1. 395 divided by 355. So what will be the question? 1. Okay. Any number divided by itself, same number should be there. So what will be the question? 1. Okay, so this was property number 3. Now what is property number 4? So property number 4 is that, okay, any number cannot be divided by 0. In my first property I said you that 0 divided by any number is 0. 0 was the what? Dividend. Okay, and any number was the divisor. Okay, but we cannot divide any number by 0. Okay, like any number you take, we cannot divide by 0. Okay, we cannot divide. Okay, it is not possible. Okay, 0 should not be the divisor. Okay, 0 should not be the divisor. 0 should not be the divisor. Any number cannot be divided by 0. This answer don't write 0, it will be wrong. Okay, if 0 is the dividend, okay, and any number is a divisor, then the question will be 0. But any number cannot be divided by 0. It is not possible. Okay, and I hope you have understood these 4 properties. So let us start what exercise 4.1. Okay, so what is question number 1? Let me tell you. Exercise 4.1, question number 1, fill in the boxes. Okay, my dear students, see question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the boxes. Okay, so there were 6 questions. I have written here 3 questions. Okay, so see here how to do. Question number A, what say 1A is that 1457 divided by how much, that we will get 1 as a question. Okay, 1 as a question. Dividend is given. What will be the divisor, that we will get 1 as a question. So in my division properties, okay, I have said you that when the number is divided by itself, when this whatever the number is given, okay, the same number will be here also. Okay, when the number is divided by itself, what will be the question? 1. So what is given here? 1457. So here also what will be there? 1457 only. Okay, I have said you already in my division properties, okay, that when the number is divided by itself, what will be the question? 1. Okay, now let's see C. Okay, 395 divided by how much? What will be the divisor? That question will be how much? 395. Okay, so this also I have said in my property that here, what is the dividend? 395. So what will be the divisor? That the answer will be C. So I said you that when the number is divided by 1, when the number is divided by 1, so what will be the question? The question will be the number itself. Okay, when this will be divided by 1, so what will be the question? The number itself, that is 395, because 395 is the 395. Okay, now E. Okay, so what will be the dividend? That when it is divided by 1, it will give us 8796. So what will be here? Okay, that when we will divide with 1, so when we will divide with 1, we will get the 8796. So just remember that when any number is divided by 1, okay, what is the question? The number itself. So what will be the dividend? The dividend will be same only. Okay, because it is divided by 1, so the dividend will be same as question. Okay, so it is 8796. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now let's see what is question number 2. Question number 2 is divide the following using short method of division. Now question number 2, we are going to divide these numbers. Okay, but by which method? By short method of division. Okay, by short method we are going to do the division. Okay, and I have already taught you the short division in let's recap. Okay, there were few questions what is about this short division, so I have already done that. So again they have given us 10 questions, so I have written here 5 questions. 5 questions you will do as homework. Okay, so now let's start. So how to do this? Okay, dividend is given, divisor is given, we have to find the question. So when we will divide by short method, okay, how to do? You have to make like this. Okay, then you will write this dividend inside, divisor will be outside. Okay, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. So I write here. Okay, this one is the divisor, this one is the dividend, this one is the dividend. So So this is the divisor, this is the dividend. Okay, dividend should be inside, divisor should be outside. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, to find the quotient. How to find the quotient? This one is the short method. So see carefully. Okay, so quotient we are going to write down. Okay, we will write here quotient. Okay, so 2, how much are 2? 2, how much are 2? Okay, we write it like this: 2 1 ja 2. So we will write this here. Okay, we will write this here. So 2, how much are 2? 2 1 ja 2, 1 ja 2. Okay, 2 1 ja 2. Now 2, how much are 4? 2, how much are 4? We have done now this 2 1 ja 2. Now 2, how much are 4? 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. Now 2, how much are 8? 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. So we got the quotient. This is quotient. This is the quotient. See here once again: 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. So what is the quotient? 124. So 2 124 ja 248. Okay, so it is so easy now. We what is a divisor was given, dividend was given, we have to find the quotient, we got the quotient. Okay, now let's do this one. Okay, same way, dividend will be inside, divisor will be outside. Okay, so now let's divide 4. How much are 4? 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. Okay, again 4 1 ja 4, 4 how much are 8? 4 2 ja 8. Okay, so this is quotient. Okay, what it is? This quotient. Okay, so 4 okay into 112 we will get what? 448. When we will multiply these two, okay, divisor and quotient, what we will get? We will get the dividend. Okay, so 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, now let's do this E1. Dividend always write inside, divisor should be outside. 9 how much are 9? 9 1 ja 9 1 ja 9 how much is 0? 9 zeros are. Okay, so this is quotient. Okay, we got the quotient. Okay, 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 9 zeros are 0. Okay, again see this one. Divisor will be outside. 2 how much are 2? 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2. 2 how much is 6? 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 6. 2 how much is 0? 2 0 ja 0. So this is quotient. Okay, this is quotient. Now one more, last one is there. Okay, so see here, dividend will be inside, divisor will be outside. 3 how much is 6? 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 6. 3 how much is 3? 3 1 ja 3. 3 how much is 0? 3 0 ja 0. So this is quotient. Okay, so done. Okay, I have done 5 questions. Okay, I hope you have understood this short method. It is very easy. Okay, and I have already said you to learn table. Okay, learn table every day and make your table very strong. Okay, that you can do the multiplication, division quickly. Okay, because this division and multiplication is based on table only. So your table should be very strong. Okay, now what is say last question of what is exercise 4.1 is there. Okay, so let me see. So let me read what is the last question of this exercise. Question number 3. Divide the following using long method of division. So in question number 3, we are going to do the division by long method. This was short method. Okay, now we are going to do the division by long method. Okay, so let's start. Okay, to do the division by long method. Okay, now see here, we have to do this divide by long method. Okay, so it is very easy. See here. Okay, this one is the dividend, this one is the divisor. Okay, this one is the long method one. Okay, so dividend will be always inside. Okay, and divisor will be always outside. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so 2, we have to divide this number by 2. So first we'll start with the first digit. Okay, so 2 in 2 table 4 is there. Yes, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 2 how much ja 4? 2 2 ja 2, 2 ja 4. So we will write here 4 also. Okay, then we will subtract. 4 minus 4 is how much? 0. So we will put cross, or you can put 0 also. Bring this 2 down. Then we have to divide this 2 by what? we have to divide this 2 by 2. So 2 how much is 2? 2 1 ja 2. Okay, then what you have to do? Subtract 2 minus 2 is 0. Now next step is bring 2 down. 2 how much is 2? 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so we got question how much? 211. So you have seen this one is a long method. Step by step we have done. So this one is the long method. Okay. So what is question we got is Q means quotient. Okay. Shortcut I have written. So it is 211. This is the answer. Now let's move to C. Dividend will be inside. Divisor will be outside. Okay. So 6. How much is 6? 6 1 ja 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So I have already said you can put cross or you can write 0. Bring this 6 down. 6 1 ja 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring this 0 down. 6 0 ja 0. So what is the question of this is what? 110. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let's do E. Dividend will be inside. 9 will be outside. 9 how much is 9? 9 1 ja 9. 9 minus 9 0. Bring this 0 down. 9 0 ja 0. Then bring this 9 down. 9 1 ja 9. Okay, 9 minus 9 is 0. So what is the quotient of this? 101. This is the answer. So this is the answer. Okay, so let me do few questions more. Okay, then I will complete this exercise. Okay, okay, now see this G. Okay, so what you have to do first is you write the dividend inside, divisor outside. 4 how much ja 8? 4 2 ja 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 is 0. Put the cross. Bring this 8 down. 4 2 ja 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 is 0. Put the cross. Bring this 8 down. 4 2 ja 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 is 0. So what is the question? What is the question? 222 is the question. Okay, so now last question of this exercise 4.1, question number 3. Okay, dividend right inside, divisor outside. Okay, so 8 how much ja 8? 8 1 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Put the cross. Bring this 8 down. 8 1 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring this 0 down. 8 0 ja 0. Okay, so what is the question? 110. Okay, so with this I have completed exercise 4.1. Okay, and I hope you have understood this all. So what you will do is that whatever I have done, you will do this as a classwork in your copy. It will be a very good practice for you only. Okay, so you have to do this in your copy as a classwork. Okay, and I will give you few questions as a homework. You will do that in your copy. Okay, so with this I have completed today's class. Okay, thank you.